What's this, Bella? Let me see. Right there. Very good. What's this? Arms up. Woohoo!
The desert areas go from the triple-digit range.
What's this?
Take a look at that. 99
Hold your head. Very good. What's this?
Thursday, 90.
Clap. Very good.
Cooling trend.
What is... Huh? What's this?
I call it the summer of spurts, Artie.
Hi. Very good. What's this?
To come up with these,
Nose? Very good. Show me. Where's your nose? Where's your... Right there. Very good. What about this? What's this? Huh? Where's this? What's this? Wave. Very good. What's this? I'm smiling right there. Show Daddy. Smiling. Very good. What about this one? Where's this? Huh? No, this one. Look. Show Mommy. What's this? Where?
For nearly
What's
80,000
this?
California foster
You
kids,
forgot?
changing homes often means getting behind in school.
What about this one? Let me see.
Collecting school supplies
Show
for
Daddy.
local foster kids, but your
Where?
help is needed. Bring your gifts of new pencils,
What are you
and
saying?
other supplies to any Sleep Train location.
Huh?
Call 1-800-378
What's
for
this?
the store nearest you. Sleep Train knows
A
not
horse?
everyone
Very
can be a
good.
foster parent, but anyone can help a foster child.
What's this? Hands. Very good. This one. What's this? What's that? What's that? Where? Show Mommy. Where? What's that? This one. Ooh, right there. Okay, this one. Oh, very good. What about... Oh, I don't have it. Oh, I don't have the look up. Ma? Oh, hold on. Ay, wala na. Baccalaureate. Okay, more cards.
And we have yet to eliminate anyone. It is the decision of this board to declare all 20 contestants winners. You have all competed admirably.
What's this, Bella?
Admirably. A-D-M-I-R-A-B-L-Y.
What's this? Look. What's that? Baby. Ooh, what's this? Bella, look at this. Look, oh, Bella, oh. Look at what I'm holding. Look. What's this? Wala na, it's just hard. Okay, bye-bye.